Right. For problem 46, if you're doing this by hand, you're solving an inequality, an absolute value inequality. So you need to understand what kind of compound inequality you're dealing with. When you have a less than or less than or equal to, you sandwich your expression. It's a bounded interval. If you have a greater than or a greater than or equal to, now it's a double unbounded interval. So we're going to split it. So if we split this, each case you start with exactly what's inside your absolute value on the left. Then we're going to have what's given on the right and the opposite of what's given on the left. Now, in order to make this or change this into the opposite, we had to multiply by a negative. And anytime you're dealing with inequalities, if you multiply or divide by a negative, you switch the inequality symbol. So we switch the symbol, and now it's just a matter of solving each of these inequalities independently. So,
You put the U in there?
yeah. So we get x is less than or equal to negative 5. Same process here. X is greater than or equal to 15. And so when writing it in interval notation, or first of all, if we were looking at the graphs of these, we have a negative 5 opening to the left. We have a 15 opening to the right. And so you're looking at a minimum of negative infinity, a maximum for this left interval at negative 5. Always a parentheses at the infinities, a bracket because it's included here. We have a minimum of 15 and a maximum of infinity in the second interval. Always a parentheses, a bracket here because it's included, and then a U in between to represent that union of sets.